Hey guys, so today I'm at Costco in search of new arrivals for the month of December. I spotted so many amazing products that I know you're going to love, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Now, has anyone spotted this beautiful 35-inch farmhouse rooster at their Costco? I feel like this is one of those products that grabs everyone's attention right now. It's so pretty, and I just love all this detail. And right now at Costco, it's going for $66.99. It says no tools are required. It's a powder coated steel, weather resistant, and the metal anchors are also included. Now look at how cute these Provence stoneware bowls are. These come in a total of 10 pieces and they're going for $9.99. It's stoneware, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and they are 4.75 inches wide. Luckily for us, they also had them on display at this Costco. But look at how much variety you're getting in here. Every single design seems to be different. I personally really like these little bowls. These are so cute and super useful. Sometimes I like to mix spices in them. Other times I'll just cut up fruit. I'll use it for ice cream even. But yeah, these can be super useful. If anyone here is into candles, check out these new luxury candles I just found at Costco. They are a 4-pack and they are 12 ounces. It's soy blend candles. They are formulated with essential oils. It's going for $19.99. And each candle's of a different scent. So you have cardamom and plum, you have fern and rainwater, monk fruit and vanilla, and ember and tobacco. Again, 12-ounce candles, and they have really pretty designs on them too. I like the colors. Our Ello glass meal prep containers are a couple years old, and we've noticed the only thing that's really changed here is probably the color of these new meal prep containers. But these come in a total of 10 pieces, $24.99. Let me tell you that it's not a bad price. We also purchased ours at Costco, which was, of course, a better deal when we looked around. It's a total of 5 glass containers. And these are very easy to clean. We love storing our leftovers in them, so you can pop them in the freezer as well, the oven, or the microwave if you need to. And then, of course, clean them in the dishwasher because that makes it super easy. But this is what they look like. These are leak proof. We've also stored soup in them as well. And look at what's back, the 3-shelf Acacia storage tower. This one's by a brand called Mesa Inspired Living. I've seen this one at Costco before. It's a very pretty acacia wood stand. $38.99. It's good for any room in the house, whether it's the bathroom, the living room even. I've even seen some people use this in the home office for like decor, and then, you can also store some stuff on there. There are the dimensions for it. The dimensions for the shelf, and there's some distance between the shelf too, so make sure you guys take that into account. And there's a weight limit per shelf, which is of around 59.5 pounds. If you happen to know anyone into soccer, here's a little commemorative mini ball set that would make a great gift. It's going for $38.99. It's the FIFA World Cup. And so you can see here they have pictures of the mini balls that are included in this set. Again, you get a total of 4 of them. Does anyone here love peanut butter and chocolate? If you do, I've heard that this fudge is pretty tasty. That's according to one of the Costco workers here. It's going for $14.99 right now. I was told you can definitely taste the peanut butter, and the chocolate's not like overly sweet, and together it's just a very good combination. And I don't doubt it. Peanut butter and chocolate usually go together. I love any little treat that has both of these. This one right now is going for $14.99. Now let me show you some other new arrivals on Costco.com. There's 2 Mikasa products that caught my attention. There's the Home Accents Adjustable Height Candle Warmer. Perfect for someone that loves candles, $28.99. They have it in white and they also have it in black, and I love that little gold detail there. Here's another Mikasa product. This one's the animal picture frames. It comes as a set of 5, and they have one bigger frame where you can insert like your favorite picture, $32.99. They have it in white, and you can see it's white and gold. And then they have black on silver. Really nice picture frames. And down here they also have the measurements of the frames. So 1 8x10, 2 of the 5x7, and 2 of the 4x6. The Bartesian Professional Cocktail Maker and it includes a cocktail sampler bundle. So this machine actually comes with capsules where you can insert, and that way you insert it to the machine, and then basically it helps you make your favorite beverage. So this one's going for $300. This is a cold press batch juicer, perfect for someone that loves cold pressed juices. $170. This is from a brand called Our Place. I thought that was a pretty solid price. I purchased a cold press batch juicer from a different brand, and I paid a lot more than that. I like to freeze my juices. I put them in mason jars and I leave a little bit of space. And yeah, you can drink them whenever you want. It's, once you unfreeze them. But this is great. The Ninja Never Clock 3-in-1 juicer. This one's actually a juicer, a slicer, and a shredder. Pretty cool. So you can shred cheese even after you make a green juice. This one's going for $150 online. It says here it has 32-ounce juice vessel and 40-ounce pulp container to get more juice every time. You can go from juicing to meal prep with added slicing and shredding capabilities. This is a reduced chiller vacuum insulated 40-ounce tumbler with handle and spill-proof straw. This one comes as a 2-pack, and they have a couple different colors to choose from. $32.99. This is the purple one. I love this mint one. So pretty. This would make an awesome Christmas gift as well. And they also have it in black. And it's like black. I believe that's white or a bit more like cream. The Shark Creo Glow. I've heard pretty good reviews regarding this product. It's under eye cooling plus LED anti-aging and skin clearing face mask. 4.3 out of 5-star reviews, and it's going for $360 on Costco.com. I know it has a couple different modes, so you can choose the under eye revive treatment, the better aging treatment, the skin clearing, or the skin sustain treatment. The Igloo insulated beverage totes are also back. They come in 2 colors, so they have it in tan and also in black. This one's going for $19.99. You can fit 2 bottles in here. They are leak resistant and it has a very easy to clean liner. It also comes with the interior mesh pockets and the adjustable straps. So let me show you guys what they look like so you can see. Again, 2 bottles fit inside. These are very stylish, by the way. They come with the adjustable strap and they have a storage pocket in the lid as well. Let me show you guys here the inside of the black one. So you can see this one has a silver lining. But yeah, both of these are pretty fancy. Check out this other new arrival. It's a protective sofa overlay. It's 28 by 72 inches. I found it going for $19.99, so pretty much $20. It's waterproof. You can also wash it in the washing machine. It has a non-skid backing, so that probably ensures that it stays in place. And it has a waterproof backing, so that way if you spill a beverage, it doesn't pretty much go through to the sofa. They have it in 2 colors. I found a new lounge set. This one right here is by Max and Mia, which is a brand we've seen at Costco several times. It's going for $24.99. I thought that was a pretty solid price considering you are getting 2 pieces in this set. Now I'm thinking that eventually this one will be on sale. I know I've seen several of the products on sale before at Costco. But as always, we're not too entirely sure on when the sale will drop, right? So they have it in black and they also have it in green. This one looks super comfy. Now, when it comes to shoes, I did come across these men's lace-up boots. So this is what they look like. They only had them in brown, by the way. Not sure if other Costco locations may have them in black. Usually I'm under the impression that Izod brings the boots in 2 colors, but these are going for $32.99. Let me know if you've seen them in your area. And here is a sale you definitely don't want to miss. It's on the 5-speed hand mixer with the storage case. The accessories are included. And it has $10 off until December 8th. Typically it goes for $40. Right now the price comes down to $30. So make sure you guys share this deal with someone that you know is looking for an upgraded hand mixer. I definitely have one that is a couple years old and it's probably time to replace it. This one right here comes with 5 speeds. And the handle design, I mean, you can grab it any way you want, really. It's ergonomic. It also comes with the integrated cord wrap. They also had it on display here at this Costco. So let me show you guys here. So this is what it looks like. You can see it comes with the beaters, the whisk, and then in the storage case, you can store all the accessories.